Remember the shape-shifting liquid metal Terminator from the movies? Well, gallium won't turn you into a killer robot, but it's the closest thing science has to a real-life T-1000, minus the world domination. What would happen if you swallowed a metal that melts in your hand? Sounds like something out of a science fiction movie, right? But it's real, and that metal is gallium. Have you ever wondered what gallium would do inside your body? Would it melt? Would it harm you? What if you drank it and, well, let's just say, passed some gas later? Stick around as we dive into the fascinating and quirky science behind gallium, including some surprising facts about how it interacts with your body. Let's get started. Gallium is a metal with some truly fascinating properties. It's represented by the symbol Ga on the periodic table and has an atomic number of 31. But here's what makes it really unique. It melts at just 29.76 degrees Celsius, 85.57 degrees Fahrenheit. This means that gallium can turn from a solid into a liquid at body temperature. If you hold it in your hand, it'll melt into a shiny, silvery puddle, like a science experiment happening right before your eyes. Now, let's imagine what would happen if you swallowed it. As soon as gallium entered your body, your 37 degrees Celsius internal temperature would instantly melt it into liquid metal. You'd have a slippery, metallic pool sitting in your stomach, which sounds like something out of a sci-fi movie. But here's the surprising part. Gallium is not highly toxic. Unlike mercury, which is dangerous and can poison your body through vapor or skin absorption, gallium doesn't easily react with your tissues or stomach acid. In small amounts, your body would essentially ignore it and pass it out naturally. But what if you drank gallium and later, well, passed gas? The good news is that gallium wouldn't react chemically in a way that would make your gas explosive or metallic. Since gallium doesn't interact much with stomach acid or digestive enzymes, it would simply stay as liquid metal and exit your system the usual way. No shiny surprises, no metallic ting noises. However, let's be honest, nobody wants to think about liquid metal in that context. Now, here's something even more surprising. There's already a tiny amount of gallium in your body. Gallium naturally occurs in trace amounts in the Earth's crust. And through water and food, microscopic amounts of this element can enter our bodies. It's nothing to worry about. Our bodies are pretty good at handling tiny quantities of many elements. In fact, gallium is sometimes used in medicine to treat conditions like bone cancer or infections, where its unique properties can help track or target diseased cells. Gallium's unique characteristics go beyond its ability to melt in your hand. One of its fascinating uses is in nuclear technology. Gallium is sometimes used in the construction of nuclear bombs to stabilize plutonium and preserve its crystalline structure. This property makes gallium a critical component in maintaining the material's efficiency and reliability in extreme conditions. Its ability to interact with other metals without corroding them has also made it valuable in other advanced scientific applications. Another remarkable feature of gallium is its extremely high boiling point, which is approximately 2240 degrees. This is an incredible contrast to its low melting point of just 29.76 degrees. This wide liquid range makes gallium useful in high-temperature thermometers, cooling systems, and even futuristic applications in electronics. It's this unique behavior, being a liquid at body temperature but resistant to boiling under intense heat, that sets gallium apart from most other metals. Gallium's combination of physical and chemical properties has made it indispensable in fields ranging from semiconductors to aerospace technology. It's used in LEDs, solar panels, and even medical imaging. What do you think? Would you ever hold gallium in your hand? Or does the thought of a melting metal freak you out? Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this mix of science and humor, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to more quirky and curious science topics. Stay curious, and we'll see you in the next video.